Understanding a child's fears and anxieties. As a parent, it is important that we understand what potential problems our child has. Most children have certain things that they worry about or even fear. In this article, I write about the types of fears that this might be and about how we can help our children to cope and to get through life in the best possible and stress-free way. Many children are able to pick up on what their parents are worrying about. They may hear arguments about money and can then start to worry themselves about the financial situation their family may be in. I'm a parent myself and try where possible to only discuss serious issues with my partner when the children are out or are asleep. If I believe that one of my children has overheard a conversation which I would have rather they hadn't, I then talk to them to attempt to reassure them that everything is okay. Children may also worry that their parents may break up and that they will end up living apart. They will no doubt hear that this has happened to their friends and may wonder and stress about how their lives would change if this happened to them. My children have told me that they worry and that they fear that one of their parents may die in the near future. It is quite difficult to explain to them that this is unlikely to happen, as it obviously could. I try and laugh it off, which may not be the best policy, by stating that I am still very young and that I have no plans to leave this planet in the near future. I explain to them the age that the average male will live to in our country and that normally, I hope, makes them feel better. School can be another area of stress for some children. Will they be able to cope and understand the work? Will they be able to obtain a good examination mark and a good report? Will they be able to make their parents proud of them? I have told my own children not to worry about these issues and to just try their best. Socializing and meeting friends can also bring its own tensions. Children make and break friends at regular intervals, especially during the early teenage years. When friends fall out, this can be a very stressful time for any child. When this happens to my children, I make a point of saying that it has been the fourth time in a month that you and Amy, as an example, have had a falling out. You're sure to make friends again in the near future. As children get a bit older, there is then the challenge of meeting a member of the opposite sex. We all know the problems and strains that this can bring. At this time, I think it is just a matter of being there for your children and getting them through these difficult years the best and easiest way possible.